Good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome to Conceptum classes. Today we will discuss first three questions of exercise 13.1 surface area and volumes of class 10th. Dear viewers, if you are the first time viewer of this channel, please subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe so that you may get videos which I upload. Now let us come to the point. It's exercise 13.1, question number 1, surface area and volumes. Question 1 is 2 cubes of each volume 64 cubic centimeter are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the remaining cuboid. That means we have been given 2 cubes. Each cube has a volume 64 cubic centimeters. Let me draw a cube. Let me try to make you understand what the question says. Question first. The question says we have a cube Let me draw a cube. A cube whose volume is 64 cubic centimeter. So let me say that let the edge of the cube be equal to a centimeter. Let this edge of the cube be a centimeter. Since it's a cube, its length, breadth and height will be same. So its breadth will be a centimeter and its height will be a centimeter. That means this edge will be a centimeter, this edge will be a centimeter, this edge will be a centimeter, this edge will be a centimeter. That means every edge of this cube will be a centimeter. And another such cube, another cube is joined from end to end. Another cube is here of same dimensions, is joined with this cube. So if you see here, this is a centimeter, this is a centimeter, this is a centimeter. If you see here, the cuboid which is formed, only length will change. Only length will change. This much will be the length. Breadth and height will remain the same. Breadth and height will remain the same. Now, volume of the cube, it is given to be 64 cubic centimeter. Now we know that volume of cube is edge cube. That means edge whole cube is 64 whole cube. We have edge kept as a. That means a cube is equal to 64 cubic centimeter. 64 cubic centimeter. That means a will be cube root of 64. So a is cube root of 64 is 4 cube. Cube and cube cancels. A is equal to 4 centimeter. That means edge of this cube is 4 centimeter now. Now, when two cubes are joined together, when two such cubes are joined end to end, the resulting cuboid it forms the cuboid. The length of this cuboid will be a centimeter plus a centimeter. That means 2a centimeter has length. equal to A plus A. This is the length. This is A and this is A. Length will be A plus A. That means 2A centimeter. Breadth, length is L here. Breadth B. It will be same as A. And height H will be same as A. Now the question says, find the surface of the remaining of the cuboid. You have to find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Now you pause the video and note it down. Now surface area of the cuboid. It will be 2 times length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. So it is 2 times length. What is length? 2A. What is breadth? Breadth is A into A plus breadth is A into A, height is also A, plus length is 2A and height is A. It will be 2 times 2A into A, 2A square, A into A square, 2A into A, 2A square. So it is 2 times 2A square plus 2A square plus A square. It is 5A square. So it is 10A square. Now we know that we have just now calculated A is equal to 4 centimeter. So it is 10 into 4 square. So it is equal to 10 into 16. That means 160 square centimeters is the area of the resulting cuboid. Pause the video and note it down. Let's move to question number 2. Question number 2 says, a vessel is in the form of a hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. The diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter and the total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Find the inner surface area of vessel. Well, that means a vessel is in the form of a hemisphere. Let me draw a hemisphere. Over this hemisphere is mounted a cylinder. A cylinder is kept over it. Just like this. This is the diameter of the cylinder. This will be its height. This is the diameter of the hemisphere. So that means diameter of cylinder and diameter of hemisphere will be the same. I may explain you like this. Suppose this is a hemisphere. You must see this is a hemisphere. So that means base of this vessel, hemisphere, like this. Or it is kept a cylinder, just like this. A cylinder is kept over it, just like this. This is the hemisphere and this is the cylinder. That means the diameter of the hemisphere will be equal to diameter of the cylinder. Do you follow me? Now, the question says the diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter. That means this diameter, it is 14 centimeter. And the total height of the vessel means, total height of the vessel is here, this from this point to this point. This is the total height. So that means this will be the total height. Here, यहाँ से यहाँ तक ये total इसकी height होगी, ये 13 centimeter. This is 13 centimeter. Then find the inner surface area. Then you have to find the surface area of this vessel. So let, this is question number 2. Let r, small r, be the radius of the vessel. Now, diameter is 14 centimeter. Therefore, radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. That means 14 by 2 is equal to 7 centimeter. So let me keep this height of the cylindrical portion as h centimeter. Let h be the height of the cylindrical portion. Now, total height of this vessel is 13 centimeter. If you look at the total height, this will be the height of the cylindrical portion plus height of hemispherical portion. In case of hemisphere, radius and height is one and the same thing. Radius and height are always equal in case of sphere or hemisphere, because we don't have height like thing in hemispheres or spheres. So radius is itself a height. So that means total height of the vessel will be height of cylindrical portion plus radius. This is the radius plus radius of hemisphere. And it is total equal to 13 centimeter. Height of cylindrical portion, we have kept it as h plus radius of hemisphere, it is r. It is r is equal to 13. H we don't know, but r we know. R is 7. So it is 13. So h is equal to 13 minus 7. So that means height of cylindrical portion is 6 centimeter. That means the height of the cylindrical portion, this height is now 6 centimeter. Now inner surface area of the vessel. Inner surface area of the vessel will be surface area of hemisphere plus surface area of cylinder. It will be surface area of hemisphere plus surface area of sphere of cylinder. So it is equal to surface area of hemisphere means 2 pi r square plus surface area of cylinder means pi r h. Surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square and surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. R being the same, radius of cylinder and radius of hemisphere is same. You pause the video and note it down. Let me substitute the values. So it is equal to 2 pi r square. Let me take pi r common from both. Take pi r as common. What remains here? Here remains twice r plus h. Now substitute the values. Pi is 22 by 7. R is 7 into twice r. 2 times r is 7 plus h. H is 6. Clear? Surface area of hemisphere 2 pi r square plus surface area of cylinder pi RH, or it is 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. Take 2 pi common here. H plus R. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 7. 2 into 7 plus 6. 7 and 7 cancels. It is 44. 7 2s are 14. Plus H is 6. It is 44 into 20. So when I take 2 pi R common, it will be R plus H. R is 7 plus H is 6. So it is 44 into 7 plus 6, 13. 13 fours are 52, 5 carry. 13 fours are 52.5 is 57. So it is 572 square centimeters is the inner surface area of the vessel. Hemisphere, surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square and surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. You take 2 pi r common, 2 pi r common, so remains r plus h. Then substitute the values, 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 is 7 plus 6, 44 into 13 is 572 square centimeters. Pause the video and note it down. Next question is question number 3. Third question is, a toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere. Same question, hemisphere. Or it is placed a cone. A cone is placed over it, just like this. Now, of radius 3.5 centimeter, this is the radius. This radius is 3.5 centimeter. This radius is 3.5 centimeter. Mounted on a hemisphere of radius of total height is 15.5. The total height of this toy is 15.5 centimeter. That means this is the total height. That means height of the conical portion plus height of the radius of hemisphere, which is 15.5 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the toy. You have to find the total surface area of this toy. Let we say that R be the radius of the toy. When we say R is the radius of the toy, that means R is the radius of hemispherical portion and R is the radius of conical portion. It is given to be 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter. Total height. So let H be the height of the conical portion and L be its slant height. चलो मान लिया ये H जो है ये कॉनिकल पोर्शन की हाइट है और ये जो L है ये इसकी स्लांट हाइट है, ये इसकी स्लांट हाइट है. Now total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. Total height of the toy is 15 point. Total height means height of conical portion plus radius of hemisphere. Total height means height of cone plus radius of hemisphere. It is supposed to be 15.5 centimeter. Now height of cone we have kept as h plus radius of hemisphere, that is r, 3.5 centimeter, is equal to 15.5 centimeter. So h is equal to height of the cone is equal to 15.5 minus 3.5. So it is 12 centimeter. So height of the conical portion, this height, it is 12 centimeter. This height is now 12 centimeter. Now since we have to find the surface area, and surface area of the cone is pi r l, where L is the slant height. That means here we have to first find the slant height of the cone. Now slant height of the cone, L is equal to under root of radius square plus height square, r square plus h square. So that means L is equal to under root of r. What is r? It is 3.5 square, 3.5 whole square. H is 12, 12 whole square. So L will be equal to under root of 3.5 whole square, means 3.5 into 3.5. It means 12.25 plus 12 whole square. 12 into 12, 144. So that means L will be equal to under root of square root of 12.25 plus 144, means 156.25. Find the square root of 156.25. That means L is equal to, this is square root of 12.5 whole square. Square and root cancels. L is 12.5 centimeter. So that means slant height of this cone is 12.5 centimeter. Pause the video and rub it down and note it down. I will rub it. Now, surface area of the toy will be equal to surface area of cone plus surface area of hemisphere. Surface area of cone plus surface area of hemisphere. It is equal to surface area of cone pi r l plus surface area of hemisphere 2 pi r square. Take pi r common, so it is L plus twice r. Pi is 22 by 7. R is 3.5 into L, slant height 12.5 plus 2 times R 3.5. So it is 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 12.5. 3.5 into 2 means 7. It is 22 by 7 into 3.5. 12.5 plus 7 is 19.5. 7 1 is 7. 7 0.5 means 3.5. So it equals to, so it is equal to 22 into 0.5 into 19.5. First 22 into 0.5 means 11 into 19.5. 11 multiplied by 19.5, it is 214.5 square centimeters. This is the surface area of this toy. I hope आपको समझ आया होगा. So in the next video we will discuss from question 4 onwards. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you.